for my daily breakfast. Beep. Hi, can I get some, just a jelly sandwich and make sure it's non-fat juice? Thank you very much. Bye. Melody is so awkward. Melody! You're supposed to be waking up. Oh, sorry. You know you're my sister. You should be respecting me, not just commanding. It's kind of rude. Well, get your breakfast. Press the button and say what you like. Gosh. I mean, you have to eat something. I think I'll just have the cream de la breakfast. Sure. And I like it, I think, a little good, like a little frosty, even though... Okay, that will be your order? Yes, thank you. Bye. Ding dong! Who is that? Oh, it's our breakfast. Come! I guess I'll just get it. Come on in. So this is your breakfast meal. Sorry. This is non-fat juice too, so here. Thank you, Maria. You're welcome. And I think Stacy's gonna bring Melody's meal, because I have, crown duty. Alright. Hope so she didn't order something that she would get fat. Oh, that's her meal, Melody. By the way, sis, just call me my real name. Why are you already dressed? I like to be fancy. I don't want to waste my beauty time. Come on, get your whatever meal. Here you go. Thanks. Okay, thank you. This is my first year of school. My first day of school. Just put that in the trash. I'll get ready. And then I don't want to get fat. Mom, wait! Okay, there we go. Just Mom, wait. Yeah. Oh, here, Melody. Take care of yourself.